I carried my water bottle, so my mom by mistakenly threw my bottle, and this is what happened. But yeah, it's not leaking. If you guys are wondering where we are going to Varka because Fix Chocolates have come to Varka, and it's our cousin who has got it. Mario asked them to get. Which one you ordered?
I ordered the kunafa, pistachio kunafa one. But I ordered only one flavor because I wanted one, Evander wanted one. There was my cousin's mother-in-law who wanted one. Wanted two, so she wanted dark and the normal one. All same flavors I bought. But I also wanted to try their karak chai one. I think so.
I did try the chai in Dubai, karak chai. Honestly, I feel that I've had better chais in India. I am a huge fan of Amrutalya chai. So that's like my go-to. Amrutalya, you know? Yeah. Amrutalya chai. Yeah, and then today, so this video is going to be about taste test of kunafa, and then later on we might go somewhere to eat food or something. So it's just going to be a daily vlog. It's been a while since I picked up the camera or my phone. So right now we are heading to Evander's place. There's work going on at Evander's place, so I think I'm going to show you guys that as well, and maybe ask him what are his plans with his house and all, what all he's going to be doing and all, etc, etc. I think he's going to do some changes in his room as well, so let's just ask him.
So also we are going to be having this for that matcha taste test. I don't like the matcha. I feel it tastes like grass and all. So I don't know. Evander has tasted, I guess. Lister also has tasted. They didn't like. Darren has not tasted it. So I don't know about Yulik. Yulik must have tasted it already. Also, we are planning for the bachelors. We are trying to do a boho theme and stuff. We have to ask him what's the outfit he would like us to wear. We are having live bar counters, live bar counter and one mini pizza counter, and maybe some wild games and all and stuff. So my friend Prince is helping me to book a villa, which I think so her friend owns it.
Reached Evander's place, and now I am going to show you guys a tour of his house and what he's planning to do. Oh, what's up, bro? Oh shit, man. Shit, man. Bro, what's up? How are you, man?
Good, you?
Good. Vlogging, okay? Yo, bro, what is the wedding prep?
So the first thing is getting the house ready. So we were supposed to paint. So we were like, before that, we'll just get these things inside. The wires, this meter boxes and all, they were out and just creating like a mess. It looked very bad. So we thought we are getting it painted. Might as well just put it inside. So that's going in fully. Wires, everything inside. Then I think we are doing an arc over here, wooden for the wall. That's something new that we are planning to do. And my room, I have not really planned like what exactly, but I might change the color. Right now it's like grey and dark grey and the white, whatever. Something similar because my furniture what is there is matching to the paint, so I'm confused which paint to go with. But mostly I might go something in the range of greys, black, something like that. Yeah, stay tuned. Something, yeah, that's all.
And bathroom is when we go to have bath, that I'm going to show it to you. Hey guys, so this is our first time trying the Dubai Fix chocolate, and we all are here to review it. Throws the chocolate down like, bro, it smells so fucking good. Bro.
For it and
Oh shit.
man, oh my god, it smells good, bro. Oh damn. Damn, it's actually good, man. Okay. It's actually good, bro.
Oh.
You like Kinder on steroids? Wow.
You can feel the actual pistachio taste. I tried a lot of kunafa chocolate. This is one of the best.
Oh, good.
Yo, it's my turn having the pistachio kunafa.
Good, no? Compared to
Yeah,
what is it? Fuck, bro. I think we'll have to buy it on.
Oh, it's really good. How do you like it? 10 on 10 minutes.
That kunafa on your like this
You know what the green stuff you can try it, Aaron?
Bro, I'm putting this in the vlog.
Salad.
Right now we come to Nanbai to have matcha. It's Darren's first time trying the matcha.
Not hyped at all.
It's not hype at all. Do you want to go grab matcha? It was funny, man. Come on, dude.
No, but is it that?
it will taste like that. So today I'm going to try a flavored matcha. Last time I tried with Rachel was a normal one. Sadly, I was checking those footages, but I didn't like those footages. So that vlog is not coming out. But this one's definitely going to happen. Take first. I think I'll go for a mocha only. So guys, I've ordered the Belgian chocolate. Amanda has ordered iced cappuccino, and we've ordered matchas for everyone to taste. It's Darren's first time trying matcha, and these three have ordered karak chai. Oh,
I'm the one tasting it.
Yeah, let him try. No.
Why all sniffing my drink?
Can I also sniff? I'm feeling left out right now. At this point, everyone's food, bro.
So
Okay.
you like you're in target range, huh? Wait up,
Some extra beer is gonna come.
You know, do you put sugar in this? Yeah, they put. No.
Have
Going
it.
raw. Think it. My big sip. Fish batteries, bro.
No, but
You know,
genuine.
bodu khasat
Hey.
se. You know that oil which you left and you keep it for like a week. See, what water? No, you drink some that blood, which is that smell is that taste is replicated. What the fuck is this?
I think he.
But you know this.
Yeah. Come on, you like.
I can take a cheaper quality of matcha.
Okay. No. Bro, this is bad. The one which I had at Fika Cafe is 10 times better, bro. So we all of us are over here, and the boy. Oh, okay.
Actually, it looks like a dude, right? I swear, bro. See, the way he's holding it too.
Bro, why are you holding a dildo, man?
Paka, you all forgot it over there.
Overall, I thought didn't like the Belgian chocolate what I ordered. It was overall I would give this Nanbai drinks a 6 on 10. I mean, I think the Panjim one is good. Let's go. Matcha taste test.
ओपन करा
Take a big sip.
या So it's nice. Okay.
You liked it?
Take a big sip, huh?
Take a big sip. It's called matcha. A lot of guys don't like it. Some girls like a lot of 90% girls like it. 10% girls
It's
like it.
blended without the ice.
It's blend.
So ciao. छोड़ो अभी तो ग्लो स्किन जो पा.
She is eating chula. And taste to na bring.
Okay, so I'm doing my body transformation. Okay. And this is my current body state. Okay.
Gay.
So this is my current body. Okay, before Evander's wedding, if I don't get shredded now,
You know that I'm shredded.
You won't get
I
shredded.
would like to go on raw.
No. If I don't get proper body, proper like full good like physique. If I'm not able to get proper in shape now, I'll give each one of your 10K. Okay. And if
तू विदो बरे?
yeah.
January yeah? See.
January, yeah.
Right. This now.
Okay,
come.
let's
Come on video.
let
It's on video, no.
No, verbal contract is this, but you know what happens in contract.
okay.
किती दिता
10K each. Before January. But I know I'm gonna get no proper.
And if you get, tell that no.
If I don't, if I get, then you guys have to do. You have to. I don't know.
No.
Half cost of Vietnam.
Alright, guys. After Lia's place, we went to Pazu's and we ordered chorizo pizza.
Choriza.
How's it?
Very good.
Yeah. After having that pizza, now we just come to Sam's. It's in Asolna, and whenever we come to Asolna, this is our go-to place. We stopped going to Starlight like long back. And what's the other place that's in front?
Cement's nest.
Sometimes we go there, but yeah, it's Sam's always. Their beef is 10 on 10.